Tariffs on China seem to begin today, leaving a horrible uncertainty in the pricing of products in the US. Samsung's mobile CEO has come on record to tell us more about what to expect for the Galaxy Fold, and it might be time for you to update your old iPhones as iOS 13 gears up to roll out. I'm Jaime Rivera, reporting from one of the noisiest hotel rooms in San Francisco. This is our last day here. This is Pocketnow Daily, brought to you by the OnePlus 7 Pro that's launching on May 14th. The official news today begin with updates on the OnePlus 7 Pro from T-Mobile. Last year, the OnePlus 6T was exclusive to T-Mobile. This year, the company has pretty much confirmed that for the launch of the OnePlus 7 Pro, they are the official partner. And last year, it was pandemonium for the launch of the 6T in the flagship store in Times Square. I'm hopefully expecting that to happen this year again. Now let's talk about Huawei and design changes, as we've got some new patents from the company where they're working on this very interesting hump at the top of a smartphone in order to get rid of bezels, which I find to be rather interesting. I mean, at the top, it doesn't really bother anybody. I actually wonder why companies hadn't worked on this before, where you get a full bezel-less display and then a hump for the camera at the top. I find that to be better. Let us know in the comments what you think. Now, for those of you that are currently still holding on to devices like the iPhone 5S, iPhone 6, iPhone SE, we've got some trusted sources claiming that iOS 13 will not support these smartphones anymore. If you know, one of the major reasons why iOS 12 was so popular is because you could keep pretty much every one of your old phones and iOS would support them. The whole idea was to make the operating system leaner. So apparently that is going to end with this update, so I would rather look into that. Now, for those of you that are waiting on the Samsung Galaxy Fold, obviously there was the whole email that customers received. This created uncertainty. We received an official statement from Samsung stating that the company is still full steam ahead with the Galaxy Fold. After that post of the Pocketnow Daily, now we've got the company's mobile CEO stating that there is full commitment on the phone. Obviously, they're taking all the precautions they need. I actually like the fact that the company is doing this. I feel that this is the smart thing to do. Avoid consumer drama, which is probably the best thing to do for such a emerging form factor that all of us want to succeed. So stay tuned. We'll get you a day as soon as we get some official information. And finally, the hottest news today are actually the most underwhelming ones. As on Monday, President Trump pretty much confirmed that he was going to apply tariffs to Chinese manufacturing and imports. As of today, that begins. We have not heard from companies over their official stand over the tariffs, meaning what they're going to do. Obviously, if they're going to raise taxes from 10 to 25% on products, you think companies are going to absorb that tax, but we know that's not the way it works. We know that consumers end up paying it. So right now we don't have official information as to if iPhones are getting more expensive or what other imports are going to be affected. But let us know in the comments down below. What do you think? Do you think that companies should absorb this tax? I mean, none of us have told companies to manufacture their phones in China. They were the ones that chose this, so I feel that it's completely unfair for consumers to pay for it, but we would love to know your opinion in the comments down below. Folks, this episode of the Pocketnow Daily is brought to you by OnePlus. You can tune in live on May 14th to watch the OnePlus 7 Pro be unveiled, where we are promised a new phone that goes beyond speed and will undoubtedly be OnePlus's most impressive phone yet. Tickets are sold out globally for live events in 3 countries, but you can tune into the live stream. Head on over to pocketnow.com/op7 for more information. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Well, next week.